using the laptops to display something such as Sonic Rangers, there's a storage bin underneath each cart. Within these storage bins, there should be a list of what's inside each bin. Now we're going to use the Sonic Ranger, which is stored in this bin here. And to use the Sonic Ranger, you're also going to need your LabQuest Mini. Now these LabQuest Mini should always be on that middle shelf. Once you have your equipment, you need to grab your LabQuest Mini, unravel it, and we're going to plug our LabQuest Mini into one of the USB ports on the left-hand side of these laptops. Or if you're on a different computer, any USB port. Then we have to take our Sonic Ranger, and we're going to plug the white-tipped cord into one of the ports labeled Dig1 or Dig2. This stands for digital because the Sonic Ranger is a digital sensor, and these are found on the sides of your LabQuest Mini. Next, we need to open up Logger Pro. This is done by clicking on its icon in the applications bar at the bottom of the desktop. This will open up Logger Pro, and with the Sonic Ranger attached, you should see this screen. The software automatically detects what type of probeware you have attached. So if it is correctly detecting your Sonic Ranger, it will automatically open up a graph of position versus time and velocity versus time. If for some reason things aren't connecting, check the LabQuest Mini and make sure that the little LED at the bottom is showing green after everything has been plugged in. If it's not showing green, I suggest trying to disconnect the USB cord from the computer, open up a new application of Logger Pro, and once this new application is fully loaded, then try plugging in the LabQuest Mini one more time.